Why is the Moon a natural satellite of Earth? The Moon is considered a natural satellite of Earth because it orbits the Earth due to the gravitational pull between the two bodies. A natural satellite is a celestial body that revolves around the planet or another larger body, and the Moon formed through natural processes and has been in orbit around Earth for billions of years. Gravitational attraction. The Moon is held in orbit around Earth due to gravitational forces. Earth's gravity pulls the Moon toward it, while the Moon's inertia keeps it from crashing into Earth. These two forces balance out, causing the Moon to stay in a stable orbit. Formation. The Moon, likely formed around 4.5 billion years ago, shortly after Earth, from debris left over from a massive collision between Earth and a Mars-sized body. This debris eventually coalesced and formed the Moon, making it Earth's natural satellite. What would happen if the Moon didn't exist? If the Moon suddenly disappeared or had never existed, it would have profound effects on Earth and its ecosystems. Here are some potential consequences. Tides would be much weaker. The Moon's gravity causes tides on Earth by pulling the ocean water toward it, creating high and low tides. The Sun also contributes to tides, but to a lesser extent. Without the Moon, Earth's tides would be much weaker because they would be controlled primarily by the Sun. This would dramatically reduce the range of tides, affecting marine life, coastal ecosystems, and the way oceans circulate nutrients. Earth's axis and climate stability. Current role of the Moon. The Moon stabilizes Earth's axial tilt, which is responsible for the consistent seasons we experience. Without the Moon, Earth's tilt would be much more unstable, leading to extreme shifts in climate over time. Earth's axial tilt could vary wildly, swinging between extreme angles. This could cause chaotic weather patterns and extreme changes in seasons. For example, at times, one part of Earth might be plunged into perpetual summer, while another would experience a long, harsh winter. Day length and rotation. Current role of the Moon. The Moon is slowly slowing down Earth's rotation through tidal friction. This process has lengthened Earth's days over millions of years. Without the Moon, Earth's rotation would likely be faster, leading to shorter days. This could affect biological rhythms in animals and plants, which have evolved around the 24-hour day-night cycle. Many species, especially marine organisms, rely on the Moon's regular tidal cycles to regulate behaviors such as spawning, migration, and feeding. Without the Moon, these species would be disrupted. For example, sea creatures that rely on the rhythm of tides for breeding and navigation could face serious survival challenges. Night sky and light. The Moon offers natural light at night, particularly during a full moon. Without it, nights would be much darker, potentially impacting nocturnal animals that depend on moonlight for hunting or mating. This has historically been important for human activities and wildlife. Early human civilizations would have faced greater challenges with navigation and nighttime activities without the Moon's light. Potential changes in evolution. The absence of the Moon may have led to a very different evolutionary trajectory on Earth. The regular tidal cycles, stable climate, and longer days have likely influenced the development of life. Without these factors, life as we know it might have evolved differently or at a slower pace. Conclusion. The moon plays a critical role in maintaining Earth's environment and its ecosystems. It stabilizes our climate, regulates tides, influences day length, and has a direct impact on life on Earth. Without the moon, Earth would be a very different planet, potentially less stable, less hospitable, and with drastically different evolutionary outcomes.